Team Skills for Process Improvement, Unit 1 of 8, Building Effective Teams, Part 2 of 7. Characteristics of effective teams. Number 1, inspired leadership. This concept ties into Dr. Deming's point number 7, teach and institute leadership. Dr. Deming said, leaders should be coaches. Good leadership makes it possible for employees to perform their work with pride. No longer can supervisors stay in their offices giving directives to employees. Instead, they must roll up their sleeves, get out on the floor, and help people do a better job. Inspired leaders don't do things to people, they do things with people. They listen, they earn respect, they have knowledge. As Dr. Deming said, profound knowledge enables them to lead. The successful leader is trained in TQM concepts, tools, and methods, is committed to quality, and understands the organizational culture in which things get done. He or she uses that understanding to lead the change. A successful leader must have a vision of where the organization is going. He or she may create a strategic plan to align the organization's goal to achieve that vision. The leader must also be able to communicate the goals throughout the organization and develop a strategy that will result in the members of the organization working toward a common goal. The inspired leader promotes success by ensuring that process improvement initiatives, resource allocation, and the creation of teams is focused on the organization's vision and strategic goals. This concept of inspired leadership applies to team leaders at all levels, from the quality management committee to process action teams. Number 2, specific quantifiable goals. Without a goal, there is no team. Why is it important for a team to have a purpose and goal? Because it helps us know where we are going. It gives us direction. A team without a goal is like Alice in Wonderland when she came to a fork in the road and asked the Cheshire cat which direction to take. The cat asked, "Where are you going?" Alice answered, "Nowhere in particular." To which the cat replied, "Then any road will do." A team is more likely to be successful when everyone understands its purpose and goals. If there is confusion or disagreement, successful teams work to resolve the issues. We will talk about how TQM teams are given a purpose when we discuss charters in Unit 3. A charter with expectations understood, boundaries clearly set, resources adequately provided, and a good communications flow established with the chartering QMC is essential for a team to be successful. Number 3, respect, commitment, and loyalty. Mutual respect between teammates and leaders is another common trait of effective teams. So, too, is the willingness to give extra effort because of loyalty to the team and commitment to its goals. Number 4, effective communication. Many studies show that this is the number one problem perceived by today's worker. The leader and members of a team need to exchange feedback, to ask, "How am I doing?" They need to ask their customers, "How am I doing? What can we do better? What don't you like? What do you like?" And they need to listen to the answers. The leadership of the organization and their critical mass must embrace the quality philosophy. They must communicate and demonstrate their commitment to this philosophy. Number 5, wins along the way. Is there progress? Are we achieving? Then we must get feedback. We must reward and recognize workers. We must get praise when we are achieving, and redirection when we are not. Number 6, awareness of the external environment. Competition is heating up, and team members must be enlightened and aware. Have you ever heard of the boiled frog syndrome? If you put a frog in boiling water, it will hop out immediately. But if you put it in a pot of lukewarm water and heat it up, the frog will boil before it knows what has happened. So we must be aware of what is going on in the processes and systems around us. Number 7, open minded, progressive thinking. Free flow of ideas. No one's ideas are criticized. New ideas are welcomed, and risk taking is encouraged and valued. Mistakes are seen as growth and learning opportunities, not occasions for punishment. Number 8, recognition. Recognition is a key motivator. Another is challenge. Most of us don't mind taking on additional work as long as it's challenging, not demeaning. Recognition can be as simple as receiving a verbal well done, an opportunity to brief team results to the boss, a visit by the boss, letters, awards, and so forth. Number 9, appreciation for teamwork. The most effective teams are ones whose members understand the principles associated with teamwork. They appreciate its benefits, both for them individually and for their organization. It is for this reason that this course was designed so that the quality advisor can provide training in team skills and concepts to team members and their leaders. As you can see, creating a winning team is more than just making assignments and calling a meeting. As we progress through the rest of this course, we will cover the full range of methods, concepts, and techniques for building effective teams. Before we can do that, you first need to understand why teamwork is such an important aspect of TQM. Elements